Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make lemon pound cake. We'll need butter, sugar, flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt, milk, eggs, lemon juice, lemon zest, and vanilla extract. All the ingredients and measurements are in a link right below this video. I'll be using a bundt pan to make the lemon pound cake. Heat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Whisk the flour with the salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Add the lemon juice to the milk, lemon zest, and mix it up. First we'll cream the butter and sugar. Save the butter wrappers, we'll use them to coat the bundt pan. Make sure the butter is very soft. It's best to leave it out of the fridge for a couple of hours. Add the sugar. Cream it for a few minutes until smooth and fluffy. I creamed this for 3 minutes. I'll scrape down the paddle and the bowl. And cream for another 2 minutes on medium speed. Now you have a fluffy mixture. We'll add the eggs one at a time. The eggs should be at room temperature. Vanilla extract. Scrape down the bowl. Now we'll alternate with the milk, lemon juice mixture, and the flour. We'll do a last mix by hand. Get to the bottom of the bowl, make sure there's no flour there. And our batter's ready. Butter the bundt pan really well. These wrappers are really handy. So now the pan is well buttered. Put some flour in the pan. Go around and coat the pan completely in flour and just dump the excess flour out. Put the batter in the pan. Smooth it out. Give it a few taps. Bake this in the heated oven for about an hour. I heated up lemon juice and sugar just until the sugar melted. Don't boil it, just heat it until the sugar melts. That's my alarm for the pound cake. Make the syrup right before the pound cake is done. I cooked the pound cake for 55 minutes. Definitely check the pound cake after 45 minutes. The cooking time is going to vary depending on your oven. A toothpick insert should come out clean or with very few crumbs. Leave the cake on a rack for 10 minutes, then we'll turn it out. After 10 minutes, just go around the pan with a spatula. The edges of the cake have pulled away from the sides of the pan. If you take the spatula and pull the cake a little bit towards the middle, then flip it over, it'll come out easier. Spoon some of the syrup over the cake while it's still hot. You can pour it slowly or brush it on. Keep going round and round until you finish the glaze. Make sure to have a pan underneath the rack to catch any glaze. Let the cake cool completely before cutting. After it completely cools down, if you want to ice the cake, mix a tiny bit of lemon juice into powdered sugar and spread the icing over the cake. I don't like my cakes extra sweet, so this lemon syrup that I just used to brush the cake is enough. You can see the nice crumb. It's so good. It's got a nice crunchy texture on the outside. The glaze is hardened a little bit and it's crispy. It's lemony, not overly sweet. You can see some of the lemon zest. There's a lot of lemon zest in this cake. Lots of lemon flavor. You can save some of the lemon syrup we made and drizzle it over the cake when it's cool if you'd like. This pound cake has good lemon flavor. It's just the right amount of sweetness and feeds a lot of people. I hope you like this recipe. Share this video and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.